To add a relative reference, we'll use the auto sum option to begin with. We'll notice on the formula bar that this is a relative reference. If we copy and paste this formula, the formula will change to be relative, as we see here when we paste it in the next row down. The references have changed. We'll delete those and create another formula. This time we'll make them absolute by adding a dollar symbol in front of each location. Now when this is copied and pasted, the references are the same, so no matter where you paste this, the value will always be the same. A third option is to have a mix of relative and absolute references. Perhaps a formula uses a fixed tax rate. We'll quickly change this cell to have 2 decimal places, or actually just 1, because it rounded up from 4.5 to 5. We just want it to look correct on the screen. So we'll start by doing the auto sum. We'll leave the range to be relative, but we'll add an absolute reference to the tax location. So now when this formula is copied, the portion that sums the row will be relative, but the portion that multiplies against the constant tax value is always the same.